Hello again, friends. Today I'm going to be showing you a device I got off of eBay from China. I bought it for $3. It is a Immersion Electrode boiler water heater. It's rated 250 volts, 500 watts. Will also work in 120 volt countries, but will take twice as long for the water to come to a boil compared to 240 volt countries. Basically what you do, just stick it into the water. We're going to be running it at 240 volts first, and then if we have enough time, we'll run it at 120 volts. So I'm going to make it live now. And as soon as you plug it in, you see bubbles right away. And the water's already warm-ish. Notice how I'm not getting shocked when I put my finger into the water. You actually can get shocked by this thing if you're grounded, like if you touch a grounded box or faucet, but I just sort of be careful around it. And it should be safe as long as you don't touch ground when you touch the water. Okay, ow, whoa. Skimming up the lens. It's getting violent now. I'm guessing it's boiled already. And as soon as you unplug it, it stops. Water's boiled. Alright. I'm going to go and shake that out. I'll be right back with the 120 volt demonstrations. Okay, so we have a new glass of water, so we're going to get on to the 120 volt demonstrations. We have a 120 to 240 converter. Well, 120 to 240, 240 to 120. I'm converting 120 into 240. So we're going to be plugging it into the 120 volt wall outlet. And as soon as it becomes live, you see you don't see big bubbles like you do on the 240 volts. You see little clouds of hypochlorites, I'm guessing. Notice how I'm not getting shocked. You don't get shocked unless you touch a grounded object, then touch the water. So it's pretty much safe, as long as you don't touch ground. Okay. The water's already warm. Turn off my transformer. Okay. I got these both on eBay at the same time. The transformer came first because it came from California, and then this came from Hong Kong. Yes, that's it. Hong Kong. I really love this device. It is absolutely stupendous for traveling. I'm gonna take this everywhere when I travel. I have a cup of tea every morning. Wake me up. Not quite getting up there like it did with the 240 volts. They make a 300 watt version, the 500 watt version, which I have right here, and then one for bath water, I believe it's a 2.5 kilowatt version. I believe that's as much as it's gonna get. It's pretty much, oh yeah, that's hot. Hot enough to brew tea. So, I give this a rating of 4 out of 5, just because of that small risk of an electric shock. Other than that, it's a really great product. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful to you. And more videos to come soon.